find the ice. Or marshmallows.
Go ask.
Okay, hi.
Frosties. Go ask.
What is it?
It's like fabric tape.
Oh my god, let's dye my hair at the beach.
No, reveal dye. You'll actually dye that. It'll seep, the bacteria seep right here.
We're going to Sergio's house.
I don't get hit by a car.
There was no ice in Walgreens.
Or marshmallows.
So you went to Smart and Final right next to it.
Nice. Time left.
You can,
Yes, but
yeah.
so you could die.
My bad.
Oh my god, we're just gonna CVS.
Oh, food for less is right fucking there too.
It is.
I
but
told you guys
it's
before
so
this.
packed.
Yeah, it is packed. That's why it was like food for less, but it's still really packed all the time. But CVS is probably
That's why
so
I
low.
left those little Walgreens, but Walgreens had nothing. Followers.
Oh, that's where we were last time. Remember we were by the rocks?
We were.
Oh my god, it's so empty. Is it because of the bacteria? Or is it because it's a Wednesday?
It could be that it's cold.
Oh my god, a homeless encampment.
It looks cold and it's Wednesday.
Maybe Hogging is still here.
Well, I mean, there's no fire pits over here.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so
Remember last time it was empty over here, but where the fire pits were, it was pretty packed.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get closer to the fire pits.
Remember last time we had to walk so far just to get a fire pit?
We did. Look, you see, there's more people over there. They're all over there.
What would happen if we just drove off this ledge?
Alright.
My bad, guys.
We put. Oh my god. Bella said that's right now.
Dude, that has me dying. That was so good, Bella. No, Bella, that just was a good time. I can't wait to tell everyone.
I got it on video.
I know. I know Ruby low-key shot.
No, dead ass reckless endangerment.
Look, they're all taken already.
The fire pit? I think
Do
we
you
can
see-
make our own.
Do you see a single one that's
Make
not
our
taken?
own this motherfucker over here?
I saw someone do that.
Okay, but
And we actually have firewood.
I hope he did. I saw that they were low-key.
either.
We'll just leave a person there. A physical person. Is that you?
There's no pits, guys. There's no pits.
It's no armpits.
And it's cold.
And she went.
Oh.
And it went. Guess what? Guess what Bella did up there?
Oh, you guys are arguing.
No.
You heard?
No. Shh. Let me sorry. I was like, Bella, what would happen if we just like drove off that ledge? And guess what she did? I know Ruby was shitting bricks, bro.
Bro, Sergio was saying how she drives like butt. Why? Sergio was like, bro, Bella sucks at driving. I'm like, and you do, bro. You cross into the
Yeah, she
traffic
does.
lane with no
She almost took out a person.
She did in the parking
I
lot.
swear, I'm not. Like,
And the girl didn't even
car
turn
was
around.
No,
Like, here.
Go turn around. The car was this close to her. I'm the car.
Bro, you need to be
But
careful.
the girl didn't even turn around though. And we were like
She
about
did
it.
not
I
care.
ran into her in the
Yeah, we saw her in the store.
with no lights. No.
It's
This is in
7 p.m.
Mexico.
Fried. It's
Guys, I'm a
9
Mexican. You
Batty,
can't.
Batty shot a clock.
Sorry. My mouth is super dry. Super moist.
Is it gonna stop being windy or am I?
Can we go in the aqua?
Look,
No.
there's a tiger.
Aqua.
Girl, you're the one saying there's infections and you want to go in the water?
For real.
Hey.
Yeah, you did tell us that.
Hey,
You're the
you
one
got
scaring
Marissa all
everyone.
Paranoid.
You.
What?
You're an op.
For real.
For real. You're an op.
I haven't watched
I thought you were a pro. an H2O.
Oh yeah, let's run.
I can put
Let's start clear.
I know, but you said there was bacteria in there.
No, Paulina got it from. She didn't even go in the water.
Oh.
I don't know how she got it.
I think that was very successful.
I think that was a good, successful last minute.
Can you even see yourself? No, huh?
Even though no one could decide where we were going, we got somewhere.
It was literally like 30 minutes before we left, and they were still like trying to change the place we were going to. They're like Malibu instead.
Turn left onto West Imperial Highway.
Aliens. They're definitely waiting for their parents.
They're Asian.
Oh my god, that's lit.
What the heck?
Wait, Asian.
Oh my god, I didn't even mean it like that. I meant to end up. Oh my god, they're foreign.
Ashley's gonna have a field trip with that one.
Did you hear what she said?
Oh no,
She said they're
oh
foreign.
my god. They look like exchange students, bro.
No, they don't.
I'm not making myself look.
I'm taking an Asian American studies class. If you say one single word that I recognize, you're canceled. Foreign.
Girl, you look foreign.
I am foreign.
Perpetual foreigner.
You're not, your parents are.
I'm foreign.
No, you're not.
Then why do I get called slurs sometimes?
What?
Because those terms have been racialized by Eurocentric things.
Look at that humongous plane!
Use the middle two lanes to merge onto I-105 East.
Wait, this is LAX?
I spit up.
Oh, I did hold my breath. This is your fault, Bells.
Oh my god.
I'd like to be anything